Welcome to my unboxing video of the Masters of the Universe Origin line. It's from Project Mayhem. They always sort me out with my collectibles and stuff. As you can see, there's plenty of collectibles. So yeah, here's the unboxing. Right there. Here we have a Skeletor with the 40th anniversary logo. I think it's the 2000X Skeletor. Okay, next up, it's a He-Man, also the 2000X range, also with the 40th anniversary logo. Next up, we have Big Man, Pighead from the Sunman collection. And then lastly, we have Montana from the Horde, the Evil Horde, with the bobbly eyes and the 4 legs. Thank you guys for sorting me out. Go check out Project Mayhem for your collectibles.